Hello and welcome to this orientation video for Analyzing and Visualizing Data course. The purpose is to assist you to get the most from this free course. Before we proceed, click the full screen icon. You'll find this in the lower right of the screen. You'll find studying the course a whole lot easier in full screen mode. As you probably gathered, this course is self-paced. However, most students will probably take 6 weeks. If you are new to Power BI, I recommend you work through the course sequentially. Most videos have multiple choice quiz at the end of the presentation. When you complete the module, you will have an opportunity to gain some hands-on experience. Before and after data files are provided, as well as questions, and in most cases answers, explanations are provided. Each presentation and workshop provides a commentary box and an opportunity to join a private Facebook group where questions can be answered. So how do you start? Go to cloudhound.co.uk website. On the home page you will see an image. Below the image, a title, don't know where to begin. Below the accompanying text, a button, start watching. Click this. A new page opens. Scroll down the page. You can click the Sign Up Today button. If you want to view the lesson topics, scroll down the page. Returning to the form, enter your name, email address, and lastly, a password. Will you receive numerous emails? No. Once you've completed sign up, you have full access to CloudHound, Power BI, Gladiator Academy free courses. When you next visit the site, you can click the drop-down menu and choose MS Power BI Gladiator Academy. Select the module you are studying. You will notice two other courses, InfoPath and Excel BI. These are legacy courses added by student request. I'll select a Power BI module. As you can see, a list of courses. I'll scroll down and select Create Tables with Power BI. As you can see, a brief text explanation, a video, and below that an opportunity to join the Facebook group or add a comment. I'll click the play video. I'll click full screen mode. On the left I have table of contents. Assuming I have previously viewed the video and I just want to review the subject of my choice, I can click the table of contents to move the video to that point. I can view the video text captions. Of course, I can move the playhead as I choose. Below Facebook image, I have a left and right arrow lesson course navigation. I click the right arrow to move to workshop. As you can see, test instructions. I click workshop overview. As you can see, more text and links to files required to answer the questions. I'll expand workshop questions, and you can answer the questions at your leisure. Well, that's about it. Thank you for viewing.